Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're in the garage. Got my buddy here. Today we're going to dismantle the engine. First things first, we're gonna take off all the shit. Alternator, that's AC, power steering's coming off, the manifolds are coming off, and then we'll open it up and see. Fingers crossed it's not too bad. Let's get started. Okay, so we took the oil pan off and we found this, just supposed to be a bolt. Oh, and it just dropped in the fucking book. So yeah, it's supposed to be a bolt, and there's like metal chunks in the pan. The pan is destroyed.
my section, trying to come to my session. We rolling up.
Alright, so the beginning of this video was filmed about maybe a month ago or so, and then haven't gotten the chance to actually finish it up. But what I did do in the meantime was I brought the block and the head to a machine shop to see just what had to be done, how much would it cost to get done. So essentially it was in really bad shape. So I'll put footage of that on the screen right now while I'm talking. So yeah, the block had to get resurfaced, cleaned, and then cylinders bored out because pretty much the inside of the cylinder is all grooved, it's all shut. Need new pistons, needed, well, the head as well had to be resurfaced, and the valves, everything to do with the valves. So the valves are done, the valve seats had to be ground, valve springs, valve stems, everything to do with the valves had to be completely replaced basically. anyways, bunch of stuff, and it needed a really good cleaning. The oil passages and the coolant passages were completely gunked up. I think that probably played a big role in why I was overheating so much, just because the coolant passages were so blocked. I think just parts of the engine were probably just not getting coolant at all. So the shop gave me a quote, and it was very expensive, much more than I was expecting. I've never done this type of thing, so I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't know if it was going to be 500, 5,000, I had no idea. But it was more than I was willing to pay to get that engine back up and running. So then I had to make a decision, what am I doing with this car? So do I like just pay up, get the block fixed, rebuild the entire thing, and that was expensive just to do the machining. Then I still need new pistons, I still need all new gaskets, like every gasket had to be replaced, bunch of bolts that are torque to yield that I had to change. Anyways, so the cost was going to be insane, way more than I was willing to pay. Did I want to swap something else in? Did I want to pay pretty much the same amount that it would cost to rebuild the stock engine, but go for a VR6 or a 1.8 turbo or whatever? So after thinking about it for a while, I decided that I would just park the car for the summer, not have it out this summer, and just kind of take my time with it, find the right engine to go in this car at a good price, and yeah, really just take my time with it, not dump a bunch of money at once into it. I have other goals in life. I can't just put all my money into the car. So yeah, I was pretty bummed out about that, but you know, that's life, and I was ready to have this car sit for the summer and not have it out. But then I was browsing Facebook Marketplace just randomly one night, and I found a guy that was selling the exact same engine that was in my car, except it was in a Jetta. Same year, I believe. I think it was also a 92 Jetta, or maybe 93. Anyways, it was a Mark II Jetta, and same engine, same block, everything was the same, fuel injection was the same, which is pretty much exactly what I needed, and for a crazy good price. I thought anyways, it was a really good price. So I messaged him, went to go pick up the engine. So I have a new engine ready to go in the car. Well, it's not quite ready to go in the car yet, I still have to do a few things, but it's gonna be going in the car. The car is gonna be on the road this summer, hopefully in the next month or so, I'm hoping. Project is back. I'm gonna be back making videos to get this car ready, but I'm not gonna show you the engine in this video. I'm gonna do another video showing the engine, showing pretty much exactly what I got with the engine, and kind of what I plan on doing with that engine to put it in the car. So anyways, project's back in full swing, back making videos, and has a new engine to go in that I'm going to show in another video, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.